friends, welcome to my very first YouTube video. Today we are going to see about how to highlight the difference between data, highlight the difference in data mismatch between two data frames. Yeah, Python and pandas are the two most buzzwords which have been used recently. So I've used Python to highlight the differences between two data frames over here. So I will quickly jump onto my program. So this is my first data where I have declared the name, age, location, and destination of my friends. So I have stored it under a data frame called df1. Similarly, I have stored another set of data under data frame 2. So we are planning to highlight the difference in data between two data frames. So in order to do that, we have to actually combine these two data frames, right? So I am going to use one of the method called concat, which is available in pandas to concatenate two data frames. So with the help of this, what we can do is we can set an index, a common index in both the data frames. So if I see here, name is the primary key which I'm gonna use in my index. So I've used name over here. So similarly, this field can vary upon your requirement. So whatever you feel is a unique field like a primary key, you can use that to set that index. And keys is something I will explain later. How this keys is actually used. Basically, this is used to highlight differences in for a field level comparison. So basically, you will have a very good idea when we execute our program. So let's wait for that. And again, okay, fine. So there's another thing called swap level. So we are trying to swap the field level information. So I will show the output of how the swap level, the keys and swap level work. So I have executed something even before. So this is my first data frame I have printed over here, and this is my second data frame. So when we were speaking about the keys and the swap level, right? So if you see, the first and second are the keys. So basically what I've done is, like, I've taken so these are the common fields which I've used in both data frames: name, age, location, and destination. So on my first verification, I have taken age. So I'm comparing the differences in age in my first data frame and second data frame. So this is my age update. So all these are the data frame 1 age, and this lists the age of data frame 2. Similarly, I have listed the first and second keys for various other fields too, like location and destination. So this is what I have done here, and I have written a method to highlight the data mismatch. So basically this is where I am going to perform most of my styling activity. So I want to highlight my differences in yellows. I have declared color as yellow, so I'm formatting it as a background color. And I'm not gonna deep dive into each and individual method, but on a higher level, data.access is something which is used to specify level in a multi-level indexing. So that's what I've done over here. And finally, I'm returning a pandas data frame, pd.data frame. Under my data frame, I'm using my NumPy library, NumPy var class to actually query something inside. So what I'm querying inside is basically there's a method called .ne, which is to identify the inequality between data frame elements. So here our intention is to identify the data mismatch between two data frames. So we have used .ne, but similarly there are a lot of inbuilt methods like lt, which is used verify the lesser than a particular number, greater than. So similarly there are a lot of inbuilt methods. Here we have used any, and finally we have applied the style. So this is where we apply, this is where we perform our styling function. uh, the key method is dot apply. So similarly we have something called dot apply map, which is again used for some data frame style activity. But I've used dot apply method, and I've called my method over here. So I will quickly run and show you something. Yeah, now the data looks clumsy because I have printed my two data frames. I will comment this for better readability. Yeah, now I will run it. Yeah, now if you say it, so this is my concatenated data frame. Here I have highlighted, I am showing the differences between two data frames by highlighting the mismatches in the second key by highlighting it in yellow. So this is what I have done. Basically, here I am just highlighting and showing it in the console, but in most of the times you have different requirements, like you want to dump it into an Excel or any other file formats, right? So in this example I will show you something called .to Excel, which can be added to this apply function. So I'm planning to dump my data mismatch into Excel. So I have declared my Excel name here. So this will go into my default location where this program is actually stored. And I've used OpenPy Excel, which is the Python package for using Excel based conditions. So similarly, you can use any other engines like XLSX Writer. There are various other engines which can be used. So whatever suits you, you can use that same. So I'm gonna quickly run this. So when I run this, yeah, I can see only the concatenated data frame, but where is my highlighted one? So it is now dumped into Excel. So I'm gonna look at the location, my program, to my default program location. So yeah, you see, so I'm just verifying the timestamp. Yeah, this is the latest file I've got here. I'm gonna open this. Yeah, this is all about highlighting the mismatches, highlighting the mismatch in data between two data frames. If you are into any database testing, if you want to highlight the differences between two result set in table A and table B, you can go with this function. So you can go with this implementation. Again, on a broader data science topic, if you want to visualize, if you want to go into the concept of data visualization, you can use this particular concept where you want to, if you want to visualize the data mismatches in between two result set, even there you can use this particular implementation. Yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked the session, and thank you.